Yes, bro. So we're right now. I'm in Abu Dhabi, guys. Sorry, random directions here. I'm in Abu Dhabi. Dear Lord Almighty. We're having a storm. Like a full-on storm. We've never had this happen before. Like, it's full-on, like, drenching wet. There's wind coming from all over the place. I don't know if you can see. Our glass is covered in water. That's never happened before. And right now I'm in this stairwell. We're not vacuuming or anything because, you know, it's not that bad. But I'm just gonna go check out and see what's like downstairs on the ground floor. Tell you when I get down to another level. Sorry. Alright. So I'm on the 600th floor. I'm on floor 6, I believe. Oh, son of a bitch. No, not fucking cool. Where are the lights? Son of a bitch. Oh gosh, that was so fudge. Sorry guys, my hurts. My heart right now is pounding. I'm very insecure child, so this is like scary vision. That is not an animal, that is a dust bunny. That's wind. That's straight up wind. There's a leak right here. You probably can't see it. Down we go. Down. We're almost to the ground floor. Our dentist office. Oh, we're just about to go down. Ooh. Office buildings. Oh my man, there's a whole lot of wind here. That's why. That door over there is open. I should probably shut that. Son of a bitch. Yo. Where's the elevators?